Kurumirira Ndugamano iria ikoretwo kuo gatagati ka urugamiriri wa thibitari wa WAGUO Memorial na thirikari ya kaunti ya NAKURU. Riu gavana wa kaunti ino Susan KIHIKA niathitwo gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ya Senate igi ugima wa mwiri. Kwa ihinda ria makiria ma mweri umwe thibitari uyu ndukoretwo ugitwarithia na mbere mihango ya urigiti thutha waguo kuhingwo gukirikana ihinda ria gukorwo mugunda-ini uyu niririkitie guthira.
It is now frustrating the people of Nakuru is that the courts have ruled that the hospital will be opened as we wait for the court to confirm about the owner of the land or whether the lease that was acquired, which we, according to the documents that I have on my desk, is that the documents are official, the lease, a title as an extension of 50 years that was officially given.
Senator wa kaunti no Tabitha Karanja augite thirikari ya kaunti ikinyukitie makinya ma kwenda kwigwatira mugunda wa thibitari uyu ona thengia wa igoti kurugamia mihango iyo nginyagia riria cira uritwithanio.
Are you doing justice when you refused to obey 6 court orders? Are you doing justice when over 300 healthcare workers are rendered jobless? Are you doing justice when thousands of patients from Nakuru County are seeking medication attention across the country?
Kuringana na Karanja ni ati kurumirira Ndugamano iyo andu matanyihiire 300 aria mararutaga wira thibitari-ini uyu ni moritwo ni mawira mao riu akiendekithia Ndugamano iyo ikorwo igikinya muthia kuona ndiri na umithio o wothe.
There is no letter issued to the hospital management by the county of Nakuru with the intention to terminate the lease as required by the law.
Hamwe noguo ni oritie thirikari guthingata kihoto niguo gutigirira muingi ni wamukira motungata matiganite hatari na ihingica.
Shockingly, when the management went back to the hospital, they found hundreds of uniformed police officers deployed, preventing the hospital management and the patients from accessing the facility.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.